Okay, folks, what we got here, we're going to do a couple of them jigsaw pours. I had a request for a couple of them. Got the shot from these people, same as always, Pinehurst Coin Exchange. We'll bring it down here a little bit. We got everything kind of warmed up and started, and we have our shot measured out here. So we're just gonna make sure the temperatures are all right. See what we got here. That needs a little heat. That too. Okay. Where's my bottle? This is for my buddy Chase out west there in Oregon. Good man, veteran. Warm this up just a little bit here. Get back to that silver. How we doing now? Just something. Perfect. Warm this up. Get us a nice little puddle going here. That looked like a good pour. I don't know if you folks, I know you people can't see that with the torch flame and all that. But that looks beautiful. If this makes weight, it's a good one. What we'll do, let's give it a minute here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's cool that bad boy off a little bit. Let's keep right on moving here. Strike when the iron's hot. Beautiful day up here in western New York. It's only like 42 degrees out here in the shop, but outside it's like 50. That's why I left the door open there. Get a little of that warm air in here. Good day for pouring silver. Oh yeah. Well, actually any day's a good day, but some days are just better. fix something. My little puddle working here. Get it away from the side. Another one. 2 in a row. Let's hope these make weight. I'm gonna check this first one while we're waiting on that. Come on over here. I know you can't see this, but I'll read it off to you. We got 5.140. That's good with me. Okay. Make sure this other one makes weight. We got a couple wieners here. Oh yeah, looks good. Looks good. Better than fighting that cold weather. Boy, I hate pouring when it's cold. Okay, let me shut off my gas and air here. I don't need that no more. I don't believe. Okay. This should be cool. Cool enough. $5.110. Is that close enough to 5 ounces? I think so. Okay. I'm not going to bore you guys today. We're waiting on for the things to tumble. You all know what shiny silver looks like. I'm going to just take these on in the house and throw them in the tumbler. It's been great talking to you people. Have a good one. We'll be talking to you. Sorry, folks. Just dawned on me. I walked in the house. I said I never did show them the pours. Here's the pour. Pretty nice. I'm going to throw these in the tumbler for a little bit. That's one. That's number 5, I think. And this will be number 6. Or however they get stamped. But, that's them pretty nice on the back. Way I like them, nice and smooth. I'm not into that rippled shit. But that's that. I just wanted to add that. I guess we'll be talking to you later.